Hello, I'm Edwin, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Nairobi. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Athena to analyze your Amazon Simple Storage Service Server Access logs. Let's get started. First, open the AWS Management Console. From the console home, search for Amazon S3. Turn on Server Access Logging on your bucket first. Select your bucket name. Navigate to the Properties tab to configure logging. Choose Edit. Turn on Server Access Logging. From the destination bucket, select where you want to store the logs. Set up a destination prefix with date-based partitioning for better performance. Save these settings. Next, open Athena to create a table for querying these logs. If this is your first time using Athena, set up a query result location. Specify an S3 bucket for query results and then choose Save. Now, go to the query editor to create your table. Create a new database for organizing your tables. Run this query to create the database. Now, create a table for the Amazon S3 access logs with the proper schema. Before you run large queries, consider the size of your data. For buckets with terabytes of logs, use partitioning. Run this query to create the partitioned table. Now, add partitions for the date ranges that you want to query. For very large datasets, you can also use AWS Glue crawler to automatically discover partitions. Create a new crawler to scan your Amazon S3 access logs. Name your crawler and configure it to scan your Amazon S3 access logs location. After the crawler runs, go back to Athena to query your data efficiently. Now, you can run analytical queries on your access logs and filter by date ranges to control costs so that Athena only reads the relevant partitions. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.